I've been irritated by these lights being in this box of screws for quite some time now. There's 3 of the bulbs here. These are the bulbs that came with the Antigua Freakshow. This one is the burnt out, so that one's not any good. But this one looks like it's okay, and this one looks like it's okay. This is a 60 watts, and this one is a 40 watts. And I believe these 2 bulbs will fit in the light by the cleaning area. Here's some great camera work as I go over to the other side of the room. And here we are. Let's see what we have here. I'm going to put the 60 watts one over here because it's more important that this one be bright because it's right next to where I work. Okay, why is it going in crooked? Is that in there all the way? Well, we'll find out momentarily. Okay, that's working. Let's see if this one's going to work. It does. Now, I don't know, those are supposed to be 40 versus 60 watts. To me, they looked about the same. Well, finally, that solves that. And it didn't even cost anything.